Want to make $500 plus a month by taking paid surveys on Prizerebel.com? Here's a quick guide on surveys. Demographics and qualifications. Surveys are given by companies looking for specific audiences for their opinion. This is usually determined by demographic information, such as ethnicity, age, gender, city, state, country, job, and household income. Additionally, surveys that ask more specific information, such as company role or number of children, will typically pay more. So it's important for you to fill out the profile questionnaire as detailed as possible to help us find the best surveys for you. Common mistakes to avoid: using false information, speeding through the survey, missing the attention check question, providing nonsensical answers. Here's some other tips on getting paid the most. Look for longer surveys. Generally, the longer the survey, the higher the payout. More surveys are available on weekdays than weekends. Don't wait to accept a survey, as they all have a quota, which means limited responses are accepted. So the longer you wait, the lower your chances of qualifying are. Now you're ready to complete some surveys. Sign up at www.prizerebel.com.